Wow, what a project! What an amazing project that is going on in Ghana currently. This project began in the year 2022, at the latter part of 2022. And this is how far they have gotten to. This is very amazing, very beautiful project. And the one that is constructing this project is also a construction company, and as you can see, they are really doing a great job. Very beautiful one, of course. It's a 4-lane road project that links to the Temamoto Way, so it goes all the way from they started this project from School Junction, all the way it cuts across all the way from Zoom Lion to link to the Temamoto Way, right? And there is another project that is going on behind us. Today I was not able to go there, but the next time I will try and see if I would be able to go there and do a video for you guys as well. That project is the stadium that is being constructed for the African Olympics 2024. That's the project that I'm talking about. This road also leads to that place, right? So very soon I'm sure they are going to complete this project so that they will be able to use it to go to the where the stadium is. The last time I brought you guys a video or a video about the stadium project that is going on. Yeah, because I was not allowed to enter, I wasn't able to get a clear video for you guys. But I would go there again and see if I can be able to allow to do a video. So let's now focus on this project, right? This 4-lane road project that is going on over here. As I always say, I like the way also a construction company goes about their construction, right? If you are new here, you can go back to my videos and check how this project began, how they go about it, and how far they have gotten to. You know that also a construction company is doing a great job, and he's really doing it well. And very soon he's going to finish with this project, and I'm hoping that they would award a lot of road projects to also a construction company, so that they will do this great work they are doing over here to all our roads, or the contracts that they will give to them, right? Sorry.